everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's time for another Misfits Market unboxing. I don't even remember what I picked this week. I know there wasn't much of a selection because I was a little late again, but we will see what we get. Hopefully it's good stuff. Ice pack. First one is my marketplace item. I've got some white corn chips with a touch of lime. Those are a really good deal and they sounded good. Next up, this is all regular box items from here. I've got some heirloom cherry tomatoes. They're kind of multicolored. They look really good. Got some nice Granny Smith apples. Their Granny Smiths are always delicious. I get them pretty much every time I can. We've got some cute little zucchinis and yellow squash. Those will be great for stir fry. A lot of times I make stir fry for my lunch just because it's easy to pop in the microwave and heat up during my break. Got a couple little jalapenos. Those look like they want a little cream cheese inside. Here's a few more of the zucchinis and yellow squash. Small side, but they look really good. And they feel nice and firm. Pull out this liner. Now underneath, we've got some celery. It's perfect, it's just what I wanted. I really want to make some wild rice salad. I will try to remember to link the recipe video below because it's extra good. It's just something I love to have for my lunch. I grabbed some limes just because I think it's always good to have some citrus for flavoring. This will go really good on either chicken, maybe even with one of those jalapenos, or I made ginger tea last night out of fresh ginger root, and the recipe said it's good to add lemon or lime in, so I might try that. I think that might be really refreshing. Right, next up we've got some broccoli. Yay, I just used the last of my broccoli from last night, so I'm super excited to have some more. The broccoli is always fantastic. I have a yellow onion and a red onion. The red onion I'll probably go use in my wild rice salad just for the color. And I was going to make some pasta salad too, so that'll use up the other half. Some people are not onion fans. That's not me. I love it in everything. Got some Valencia Oranges, and this I will also use partly for the dressing for my wild rice salad, and I might make some orange chicken. We will see how much I have left. I think I still got some oranges from last week too. Oh, little lonely jalapeno down there. And another. And then finally a spaghetti squash. I started cooking these again after I started getting them from Misfits Market, and they're so good. I like it with like a marinara sauce or like maybe a mushroom green pepper sauce. Sometimes I add meat, sometimes I don't. If you're vegan or vegetarian, by all means leave it out. And I like to melt mozzarella on top. Again, if you're vegan, you don't want to go with a substitute or just skip it, but super good. And if you're looking to save carbs, you definitely can. Okay, let me just get this box out of here. Ignore my microphone wire. When I'm in the kitchen, I come out really quiet, so I like to use a microphone so you can hear me a little better. So let's just see what we got again this week. Line it all up. That is looking good. This looks like a really nice selection, and I've also got my chips. Hopefully they're not too smashed, but they look good. Thank you so much for joining me again this week. I always look forward to this unboxing. It's so fun just to think about what I'm going to cook for the week. I hope to see you again next week with me on Monday. And I'll have a jewelry box coming sometime this week, and we'll go over that together as well. Have a great rest of the week.